Okay, so in a large bowl, you're going to combine both of your sugars, your light brown sugar and your white sugar. I have here a half cup of each. So a half cup of brown sugar and a half cup of white sugar. You're going to combine your melted butter or softened butter. So 1 stick equals half a cup. You need a half a cup. So I'm going to combine that in there. And then you're also going to add in your peanut butter. 1 cup of peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. So you want to begin to stir this, getting all the clumps out. Make sure it's all incorporated nicely together. Break down the brown sugar. Next, I added in my egg, 1 egg. Next, I'm going to add in my vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. So in this bowl, I have my flour. I have 1 cup of flour. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a little sprinkle of salt, and you're going to add this in slowly, or just a little bit at a time, and mix in between. Okay, I'm going to add a little more. Now guys, if you have a mixer, I suggest you use it because it's going to be a whole lot easier. Without a mixer, you got to use a little elbow grease to get it nice and formed. Okay, I'm going to add in my last little bit. Okay, so now that I've added all of my flour in, this is how it looks. And now what you're gonna do, I take an ice cream scooper. If you have a cookie scooper, fine. But I take an ice cream scooper to make perfect round balls and to get them all the same size. Okay guys, so the dough makes about 2 batches, but I'm not gonna make that many because my kids don't really like peanut butter cookies that much. So what I did was I like to line my baking sheet with foil, spray it with a little cooking spray, and you spoon these on, you know, just amount or however much, however big you want your cookies. And then what I do is take the fork and make this crisscross shape, just like that. That's optional, it's just a little design. So now what I'm going to do is pop these in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. So just keep your eye on them. So what I do with my remaining cookie dough is I put it in the freezer. It goes very well in the freezer for, you know, a different time. Just like that, and place it in your freezer. And you'll have some for another time. Okay guys, so I took my cookies out of the oven. And mine took exactly 10 minutes. I set my timer for 10 minutes. And this is how they look. You want to take them out right before they start to harden. These are supposed to be nice and soft and chewy. I mean, unless of course you want them hard, you leave them in a little while longer. So you leave these to cool for a few minutes. And that's about it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.